Folding e-bikes are great since they're ultra portable and fit in most car trunks. Fat tire e-bikes are fun for riding on various types of terrain and adding cushion to your ride. But what if you could have both in one package? That's what the HeyBike Mars delivers. We got the chance to test one out recently and to check out all its features. The bike gets its power from a 500-watt rear motor that helps the e-bike spin itself up to around 20 miles an hour or 32 kilometers per hour. That keeps it legal as a Class 2 e-bike in the US, since it can use either a throttle or the included pedal assist to hit those speeds. The throttle makes it easy to cruise along effortlessly, while the pedal assist still offers up the chance for exercise and good old-fashioned cycling effort. The battery that powers the e-bike is located just behind the seat and keeps the weight both centralized and fairly low. It's both lockable and removable, allowing charging either on or off the bike. The Mars gets a range rating from HeyBike of around 35 miles, meaning it's got plenty of riding time from that 600 watt-hour battery. When it does come time to recharge, a full recharge will take around 6 hours, while a partial recharge will finish more quickly. The rest of the electronics mainly include the interface, such as the hand throttle on the bars and the LCD display. That's where you'll find all the riding info, such as the speed, distance, battery charge level, pedal assist level, etc. On the bike side of things, the Mars comes outfitted with Shimano components, including a 7-speed shifter and derailleur. The multiple gears are designed to make it easier to pedal up hills, but also fast on flat straightaways. The brakes are mechanical disc brakes in both the front and the rear, and we get several other included hardware features, like fenders, a rear rack, front and rear LED lighting, an electrical horn, and suspension in both the front fork and the seat post. The front suspension helps absorb that first shock when you're hitting obstacles, while the seat post suspension keeps the rider more comfortable when either wheel finds turbulence. As I mentioned before, the key takeaways of the HeyBike Mars, though, are the class-straddling features of a combination of fat tires and a folding mechanism. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires have large air volume, and they allow riders to switch from street riding to off-road riding and back again. The folding design helps the bike maintain its small format and makes it much easier to transport by car. It folds at both the handlebars and the center of the frame, resulting in a tight little package. Don't let the small size fool you though. The bike is rated to support up to 330 pounds or 150 kilos, meaning a wider range of riders can safely operate the bike. All told, this combination of parts and features comes with a retail price of $1,099, though the bike is currently on sale for $999. Big thanks to HeyBike for sponsoring Electrek on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can keep watching all of our electric vehicle content right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you here next time.